This is part 2 of Malay words used at home. All the examples are used in colloquial speech. Grammar is not the importance here. Some words are shortened, and there are some sentences mixed with English which depicts the reality of spoken Malay. Let's check out the first word. Penyaman udara. Penyaman udara. Air conditioner. Panasnya, hidupkan aircon boleh tak? Panasnya, hidupkan aircon boleh tak? The weather is so hot. Can we turn on the air conditioner? In reality, we hardly use penyaman udara in daily speech. Most of the time, we use aircon. The next word, lampu. Lampu. Lamp. Banyak sangat pasang lampu, membazir. Banyak sangat pasang lampu, membazir. So many lamps turned on. What a waste. Kipas. Kipas. Fan. Tolong bersihkan kipas. Tolong bersihkan kipas. Please clean the fan. Almari. Almari. Wardrobe. Letak baju kau dalam almari ni. Letak baju kau dalam almari ni. Put your clothes in this wardrobe. By now, you should have known that kau is used with familiar people. To be more polite, use awak or kamu. Ruang tamu. Ruang tamu. Living room. Jangan makan kat ruang tamu. Jangan makan kat ruang tamu. Don't eat in the living room. Bilik. Bilik. Room. Bilik tengah ni kakak aku punya. Bilik tengah ni kakak aku punya. The middle room belongs to my sister. Dapur. Dapur. Kitchen. Lepas masak, jangan lupa bersihkan dapur. Lepas masak, jangan lupa bersihkan dapur. Don't forget to clean the kitchen after cooking. Pinggan. Pinggan. Plate. Letak sikit je nasi dalam pinggan aku. Letak sikit je nasi dalam pinggan aku. Put a small portion of rice in my plate. To be more polite, instead of aku, use saya. Pisau. Pisau. Knife. Pisau ni tajam sangat. Pisau ni tajam sangat. This knife is very sharp. Sudu. Sudu. Spoon. Satu orang satu sudu. Satu orang satu sudu. 1 spoon each. Garpu. Garpu. Fork. Saya tak makan dengan garpu. Saya tak makan dengan garpu. I don't eat with a fork. Teko, Teko Teapot. Biasanya saya buat teh dalam teko. Biasanya saya buat teh dalam teko. Normally, I make the tea in a teapot. Cawan, cawan, cup. Kita kena minum 8 cawan air hari-hari. Kita kena minum 8 cawan air hari-hari. We have to drink 8 cups of water daily. Gelas, gelas, glass. Tuang jus oren dalam gelas. Tuang jus oren dalam gelas. Pour the orange juice into a glass. Mangkuk, Mangkuk Bowl. Satu mangkuk bubur ni RM3 je. Satu mangkuk bubur ni RM3 je. This one bowl of porridge is only RM3. Tandas, Tandas Toilet. Encik, tandas kat mana? Encik, tandas kat mana? Sir or Mister, where is the toilet? Bilik air, bilik air, bathroom. Saya nak mandi kat dalam bilik air. Saya nak mandi dalam bilik air. I want to take a bath in the bathroom. In this example, you can drop the card and the meaning still remains. Kepala paip, kepala paip, faucet. Buka kepala paip tu jangan besar sangat. Buka kepala paip tu jangan besar sangat. Don't turn on the faucet all at once. Singki, Singki Sink. Lap singki sampai kering. Lap singki sampai kering. Wipe the sink until it dries. Penyapu, Penyapu Broom. Lina sapu sampah dengan sebatang penyapu. Lina sapu sampah dengan sebatang penyapu. Lina sweeps the trash with a broom. Written Malay will use the word sebatang as a classifier for countable noun. In this case, the countable noun is penyapu, and its appropriate classifier is sebatang. Colloquially, we drop this classifier when the context is understood. So we just say, Lina sapu sampah dengan penyapu. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today or learned something new, make sure you like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Sampai jumpa lagi.